Cristiano! Okay, maybe. This is Mashari here, and today, guys, I'm coming live from my village, my beautiful village here in Africa. We are just enjoying Christmas here. Today is the 26th of December, 2022. We want to do a challenge. Who will be able to walk with hands, you know? Yeah, instead of legs. Yeah, I have some guys from my village. Okay, bring it. It's mine. Who is calling? Hello. So, guys, yeah, we are doing a challenge. Who will be able to walk with hands like this, you know, instead of legs? I have this guy here. I have this guy here. Me and my brother here. So we will start this challenge. You are on camera. Come here. You are live on camera. Hiya. I want you to start. Up to where? Anywhere. Whoever wins. Hiya. 1, 2, 3. Let's go.
Is there a gift?
Yeah, there is a gift. Whoever wins, will eat something good. You know, today is Christmas. Maybe I have to buy a drink. Maybe I have to buy a drink today.
Of course.
Oh yeah.
That's nice.
So,
Samola.
let's go. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. One has failed. The second one has failed us. Like this. You see, guys? This is Africa. We can do anything. He is even going backward. Yeah? And he won. Hey, bro. What's up? What happened? What happened? Okay, let me try also. Hold this camera for me. Okay. Let me try also. Wow. Maybe. Let me see. Let me see.
Come on. An effort.
Wow. Hey. Wow, nice trial. That's a nice trial, you know? Wow. Yeah, this is Africa, village in Africa here. We do enjoy life. Everything we feel like doing, we just do it. We are freestyle here. I'm coming live from our village, a beautiful village. You can see it's green. The sun is shining like crazy, very beautiful. And we did enjoy here. We are just enjoying Christmas with no pressure here, you know. It's not like there in the city where you live a fake life, you know. Here we live original life, direct from the village, you know. Yeah, so let me do some press-ups. Hey, come, join me, guys. Let's do some press-ups. How many? Give me 10.
Best of 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow. Yeah. This is Africa, guys. We have to enjoy life to the fullest, man. We are enjoying Christmas. We have eaten a lot of food, you know.
Of course,
we are already full now. We have eaten a lot of food. We have eaten a lot of nyama choma here, and we have done crazy things here. Yeah, in the village. Okay, let me do another one. Let me show you another challenge, you know. Like this, you see? You hold your hand on your head. Like this. Yeah, take your position, bro. Like that. So, you do like this. 10 times, you see? Yep. Alright, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A bonus one.
Another one.
Like that.
Another one.
Yeah. For those guys who want a six-pack, that is the best workout you can do.
Yeah.
So you can get six-pack like that. You see? Cristiano! Okay, maybe. My crazy guy here, you know. Wow. Wow. That was crazy. This was just a simple workout here. We have eaten a lot of food, we have eaten a lot of nyama choma, and we are really enjoying here in our village in Africa, Nyeri, Kenya.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's beautiful.